Yes, I asked the lady that did the other hair vendors give you very cheap price? The lady replied to me, no, the price is big money. I pay them a lot of big money for the hair, but its quality is still no good. It's shedding, it's tangling, the hair is very bad, and the clients called her a scammer. I'm very sorry to hear about that. I would like to share this experience with you, just to remind some ladies that who are not very familiar with the hair business, so you can learn a lot. She asked me to call the price. She wants to try my hair. I said, why didn't you try my hair 1 year ago? She said, when she always contacted me 1 year ago, I didn't reply. Like maybe I didn't reply fast, or she said our communication is bad. I will show you the communication history. I replied to her, it's not my poor communication. It's not like that. It's because every time you contact me, it's not the right time. We had a time difference, and sometimes I know people from that countries always very want you to do things right now. If you replied a little bit late, they don't have patience. I can understand this. I really can understand this. So she said the hair vendor from Vietnam communicated very well with her. So maybe that's why the reason she tried the Vietnamese hair vendor. Then lose money and have a very bad reputation in the hair markets now because her clients called her scammers and want the money back. So it's very frustrating. Always happen in this case. I understand this. I said to her, let me quote you the price. My hair quality will not shed. My hair quality will not tangle. It can last very long time. Also, she emphasized if my hair can color very well. Sure, my hair quality can color very well. I'm very confident. But one thing I said to her, I will not give you double jaw, because I think the Vietnamese hair vendor gave her double jaw. So you go back to check my other hair videos. The double jaw is not the best quality. You guys just focus on the fullness from top to the end, almost same strength hair, same length hair. You guys call it double jaw, but most of the time you forget about the material, the quality. I explained a lot of times in my YouTube channels that people can use different materials, cheaper materials, to make all the hair strand the same length from the top to the bottom. That's why you see, wow, it's very full hair. And whatever the price may be not bad, so try the hair vendor. You know what we have after you use the hair, after you color it, after you wash it. Oh yes, she also said the lace closure, lace frontal, shedding a lot after washing. This is a very big problem because of the material. I tell her, I will not quote you the double jaw. You see, my hair from top to the end is okay, natural fullness. More or less, I tell my customers, more or less short hair. But it's natural. Even on our own hair, it's natural. We have short hair. You see. But the material can last very long time. People always come back after 2 years, after 3 years. I'm very patient. After they come back, I know after they purchase, if they purchase for personal use, they come back after 2 years or 3 years because they are still using the hair. It's very good. The material. You go back to check my other videos. I teach you how to check the material. So from now on, don't focus on the fullness. Don't focus on the fullness. Yes, fullness is one of the factors that you need to consider. The most important thing is the material. And I also have a video on my YouTube channel that if you want, you ask me, compare different fullness of the bundles, different fullness of the bundles from top to the end, from top to the end, from top to the end, straight, body weight, loose, deep, different texture, different prices. So you can choose. You can choose for your clients different prices. So it's very, very important that like, yes, you receive the hair from other hair vendor. Keep watching my YouTube channel, my videos, then you can understand. Oh, because this is another lady that she purchased hair from hair vendor from Vietnam 1 year ago, because she contacted me 1 year ago, and now she comes back. Maybe she keeps watching my YouTube channels and know what happened. And after using the hair, quality is shedding, quality is tangling, hair cannot bleach. So don't look at the face of the bundles. If you like, I can share the information. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching my videos. You learn a lot and save your hair business. Save your hair business. Save your money. Also save your reputation in the hair market. You build a good name. People always come back. People always come back. You see, I'm always there on YouTube. It's because my reputation. It's because how I do business with people. They love to learn, and I teach them a lot and save their business. I will see you in the next video. I'm very happy to share the experience with you. See you next time.